Ever found yourself wondering if there's a simpler, more secure way to manage your cryptocurrency on the go without sacrificing control? What if I told you there's an app that acts as your personal command center for your hardware wallet, making transactions, staking, and managing your assets not just easy, but truly intuitive? That's exactly what we're diving into today, the ELLIPAL app, your essential companion for the ELLIPAL hardware wallet. Forget the days of clunky interfaces and complicated setups. The ELLIPAL app is designed with user-friendliness at its core, seamlessly bridging the gap between your secure offline assets and the dynamic world of decentralized finance. It's not just a window into your wallet, it's an active tool that empowers you to interact with your crypto securely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned hodler, an active trader, or just starting your crypto journey, understanding how to master this app will revolutionize your digital asset management. So, let's peel back the layers and discover the power within this unassuming icon on your smartphone. We'll cover everything from the initial pairing process to executing complex transactions, ensuring you're confident and capable every step of the way. First things first, pairing your ELLIPAL cold wallet with the app. This is where the magic of air-gapped security truly shines. Unlike other wallets, the ELLIPAL relies on QR codes for all communication, meaning your private keys never touch an internet-connected device. To get started, simply open the ELLIPAL app, select Pair Wallet, and then on your ELLIPAL Cold Wallet, go to Connect App. A QR code will appear on your hardware wallet. Scan it with your phone, and voila, your cold wallet is now securely linked to your app. No Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, just pure, unadulterated air-gapped security. Once paired, you'll be greeted by the intuitive dashboard. Here, you'll see a comprehensive overview of your assets, including your total balance, individual coin holdings, and even real-time price updates. This isn't just a static display, it's a live snapshot of your crypto portfolio, giving you instant insights into your financial landscape. You can easily switch between different cryptocurrencies to view their detailed transaction histories, providing complete transparency for every move your crypto makes. Now, let's talk about sending and receiving cryptocurrency, the bread and butter of any wallet. To receive, simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive, tap Receive, and a QR code with your public address will be displayed. You can share this QR code or copy the address directly. Sending is just as straightforward. Select the asset you want to send, tap Send, enter the recipient's address and the amount. This is where the air-gapped security comes into play again. The app will generate a transaction QR code, which you then scan with your ELLIPAL Cold Wallet. Your hardware wallet will display the transaction details for your verification. Once you confirm on the hardware wallet, it will generate a signed transaction QR code that you scan back with the app to broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. This multi-step QR code dance ensures your private keys remain isolated from any online exposure. Beyond basic transactions, the ELLIPAL app offers a host of advanced features. Explore the dApp browser to securely interact with decentralized applications, all while your private keys remain safely on your cold wallet. You can participate in staking, access DeFi protocols, and engage with the broader Web3 ecosystem with unparalleled peace of mind. The app also allows you to manage multiple accounts and even create new ones directly from the interface, giving you complete flexibility in organizing your digital assets. The ELLIPAL app isn't just about managing your crypto, it's about empowering you with control, security, and convenience in the palm of your hand. It's the perfect synergy between robust hardware security and a user-friendly software experience, making the complex world of cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.